It's a zebra tarantula. No, these are edible zebra tarantulas. Now, Brandy's is covered in chocolate, which would be tasty in my opinion.
Hey guys, oh my gosh!
They didn't see me!
Whoa, I thought you were the table!
Pretty camouflage, don't I? Yeah.
I didn't even know you were there.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey.
What's up, you over there sitting on the couch? What's up, you over there watching us on your phone? What's up, you watching us on your iPad? What's up, you over there wearing that light pink shirt? That's me! Today we are playing chocolate versus real. This is the chocolate option all the time, and this will be the real option.
No, we're gonna switch or stay. So we don't know where the chocolate is, and we don't know where the real is yet.
Wait, you should have explained that to me from the beginning. I thought I'm eating the chocolate the whole time.
Whoever has the chocolate thing has to eat it in order to get a point.
Yeah, and chocolate gets you a point.
If you eat it though.
If you eat it, and real gets you a point.
But not all of it is edible. Let's get started. 12 rounds, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors. No, it's always rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Wait,
Rock, paper, scissors. No, you went like this. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. No, you go first. Okay.
I'm going to switch. Start off with a switch. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yes! Yes! Yeah!
I can still eat this. I love ice.
Okay. The score is 1-1. It's my turn. Switch. Not. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no way! I should have stuck with my initial switch.
Oh, well, sorry. No, it's out. Ow. Oh, that's disgusting. Is that good?
If I was ever on The Bachelorette, I would eat the rose. Now I know why everyone wants the rose. She loves me. She loves me not.
What are you talking about?
She loves me. She loves me. Yes, I win.
Who loves you? That was sad. 2-2.
2-2. It's 2-2.
So now we're on round 3. I'm gonna stay.
You're gonna stay?
Yeah.
1, 2, 1.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Dang it.
Maybe we should reverse.
Oh, yeah. Because that's how Uno works.
Yeah. You have to at least put the whole thing in your mouth.
What? Oh, come on. You expect me to swallow the whole
You don't have
thing?
to swallow the whole thing. You just have to put the whole thing in your mouth and chew it up. Well, this is gonna be problematic when we're playing Uno or Pocket Watch and there's no 2. You're gonna be like, where's the right 2? Where's the right 2? And Brandy like sits down on the deck. She's like, I ate it.
Oh, so bad. 3-3. Wait, yeah, 3-3.
Switch.
Okay. No, you can't. Dang! You. Don't eat that. Vitaly, don't. Come on. Hey!
That
Which
second
is not
switch
allowed.
doesn't matter. The
Yes, it
second
does.
switch doesn't count.
Yes, it does. I'll take these babies. No, don't. Vitaly, no!
So for that last one, we forgot to say this rocks.
He missed a pun. Let's carry on.
No, you can't move it until you say it.
Okay. I'm gonna stay. I'll stay.
You're staying?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice. Whoa, what? Break then open? Oh, God. Oh my gosh. I think that's good. What is
that is
that?
so scented. Oh, it's
Whoa,
it's an
dude,
orange.
look. You totally broke that.
It's like a bunch
Oh, gross. I don't like that smell. How was it? Good?
It's good. I like it. It's a go. Options, decisions. I can't even guess what it's gonna be.
Me either.
I'm like using all my telepathic powers to view inside this.
Well,
There's a shield.
Don't have those powers, so you can't tell.
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Stay.
Stay?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Aww, look at this little guy. Oh. His ears are sad. Just don't. Don't do it. Come on. Oh.
Oh. Whoa. What happened? What happened?
Why does it taste like vomit?
What's in it?
I don't know.
Randy, what are you eating?
I don't know, but I'm crying.
What?
I'm straight up gonna throw up.
Eat at least half of it.
Vitaly,
you gotta
don't
bite
make
in.
me- Oh, I'm gonna switch. And switch.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Ew, I don't want to.
That is disgusting.
Look at yours.
This looks like cat food. I like cat food. It's a zebra tarantula. No, these are edible zebra tarantulas for the consumption of eating. Now, Brandy's is covered in chocolate, which would be tasty in my opinion. Mine's straight up tarantula. Now, I've seen these in the wild.
Oh, God.
Let's put this out here. Oh yeah, there's the salt. There's the salt they talked about.
Oh my gosh.
Randy, are you?
Okay, emotionally? No.
Tarantulas don't have webs, and they don't make webs. And instead, they attack their prey, and then they stick their enormous fangs.
Oh, gross.
And they stick these enormous fangs into things, and then just suck all the plasma
yeah,
out of
you can
them.
see that.
See the fangs right there?
Dude, that's... Oh, dear.
Break off a little leg.
Man.
Cheers.
Oh, it's so hairy.
You're just covered in chocolate. You're gonna be eating
know
chocolate
what?
mostly.
Oh, it's so hairy.
Cheers. That's so salty. That's salty. The tarantula has turned into venom. I mean, you guys saw. I left the tarantula right there, and now this guy's here.
Okay, let's put him back.
Switch.
Switch. 3, 2,
1.
1. Ooh,
Yes.
yum.
Yes.
Chocolate covered gummy bears.
Regular gummy bears. Dude, I'm eating fruit. There's pineapple. You got cherry, strawberry. You got lemons. This is a healthy diet right here.
I'm gonna stay. Ready?
Really?
Yes. 3, 2, 1. This one is a worm. Look at it. Oh. Vitaly. I don't want the head. It's looking at me.
I'm gonna go for a second one.
My mouth just rejected it.
Oh, dude, this just got a bunch of the tarantula salt all over it.
Eat it all. Come on. Oh, gross. No, Vitaly, stop.
Oh, look how gross.
Yes, that looks really disgusting.
Switch.
Let's do it. Okay, 1, 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Okay.
This is money. This is money. Hey, Brandy, before you put that in your mouth, let me explain to you. A dollar bill is said to be one of the dirtiest things on earth. So before you put a dollar in your mouth, just ponder that. People's dirty cricket hands and tarantula hands and chocolate hands have all touched this dollar bill.
My mom told me that information. I always listen to my mom. I'm not gonna eat it.
Whoa! We've done it! We've broken through! The tie is broken! The score is 10-9.
Okay, I'm gonna switch. Wait, I'm gonna stay.
Wait! You're gonna switch.
Fine, I'll switch.
No, it's your call. It's your
I know, I'm
completely
gonna
your call.
switch.
You're gonna switch?
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Wow,
with
you
my
are
first-
not a chicken.
Oh.
That is really heavy.
1.
Yes! That was so loud. It's, you know what? I had to stick a plastic minion in my mouth.
Okay, but
It had to fit all the way.
Tally, none of this is not gonna fit into my mouth.
Remember when we said if it fits in your mouth, you can eat it? Looks like it doesn't fit in your mouth. Looks like you can't eat it. Oh. You know what? This was a fail-safe that one of us would eventually lose.
Well, you know what? I'm getting word that if I just gnaw on it, it'll be a point. So
Wait, let me see if I'm getting that same word. You know what, Brandy? Because we were tied for so long, I'll give you this point. The score is now 10-11. I'm still winning.
Natalie, it's your turn.
I saw you move it.
I won. Centering
That was a quick move. Oh,
on.
man. Oh. Chocolate versus real
This is
sweat.
what I say. Oh, okay.
Oh,
3, 2,
2,
1.
1. Yes! Yes! Don't eat it. I got a chocolate bunny. I knew I would get this. I'm the winner. This is a chocolate bunny.
Bunny.
That has to be. If you eat a bunny, Brandy, I will never look at you the same. You do not eat a bunny. You put that bunny down.
It's a bunny.
Bunnies.
Why are you what? Why is this something that's here right now?
You better not eat it. What a sad, sad day.
I'm not gonna eat it.
You're gonna eat
5,000 points.
a chocolate baby bunny. Oh! That is so gross. It is such a sweet little animal. I can't believe you're doing this right now.
I'm so sorry.
I'm not gonna be able to hop over this one.
There's no time for puns right now.
Comment down below which thing you guys would never eat. Is there something that you're like, no, I would never eat that thing? Or comment below which of these things you have tried. Have you had bunny before? Have you had chocolate bunny before? I'm Vitaly.
I'm Randy.
Like, comment, subscribe. I was hoping this thing would break. Ah!
Comment down below if you forgive me, even though I did the worst thing ever and I'm evil, and the sad part is it was good.
What?
I liked it.
I'm gonna need more time.
It's not my fault. It's good. Try it. You just try it.
No, I am not gonna turn into a monster.